Good morning, students. In last class we had learned about the alkyl lithium preparation, and today's topic about the acetaldehyde to isopropyl alcohol. So acetaldehyde nothing but a formula CH3C double bond OH, and next here we have to see in the alkyl lithium. So alkyl lithium when react with the CH3COH CH3. So here we have to double bond, and this double bond we have to shift at this type. So here we have to bond formation, and here we have to get the Li lithium, and next as usual as the hydrogen, and these CH3 we have to keep the downside, and these one react with the hydrolysis water jala vishleshana cheyaga manaku em ostundante CH3ClIOH CH3ClIOH, and next here we have to form the OH group. Here we have taken the water molecule, in this oxygen and hydrogen we have to form the alcohol. So lithium hydroxide will be formed as usual CH3. Okay, so the next this one is known as the isopropyl alcohol. Why we have to isopropyl alcohol means iso means substitution reaction, propyl means 3 carbon atoms, where we have 3 carbon atoms means 1 2 3 3 propyl alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. Okay, next example we have to see the formyl chloride. So formyl chloride here, formyl means HC double bond OH. H places లో మనం ఏం తీసుకున్నామంటే క్లోరైడ్. సో కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ ఏం తీసుకుంటాం, ఫార్మల్ క్లోరైడ్ when react with the alkyl lithium gives rise to what will be formed H bond C Cl, and next here we have to same as usual we have to keep the bond Li, and next downside here we have to keep the H. Okay, CH3, and next here we have to keep the CH3 and Li, and next here Li, and will be formed. Okay, the next topic is the next reaction we have to form the here we have to keep the CH3 H. Here we have to keep the CH3. Okay, the next here CH3 bond C double bond OH. Here we have to keep the CH3 bond C double bond O, as usual where we have to keep the C double bond O means C double bond O and bond H. Remaining hydrogen is the CH3 C double bond OH. Here we have to form ikkada emanki ikkada em add cheyaladante LiCl. Okay, so this LiCl we have to keep here plus LiCl3 అని పెట్టేసుకోవచ్చు. Then next again we have to form the lithium, alkyl lithium. So here what will be form the product CH3 C bond O. Here we have to again this double bond we have to keep O bond Li, and next bond H, and next downside here we have to keep the CH3 as usual. Okay, these one we have to hydrolysis to form CH3 C bond. Actually in this one we have to see C bond OH bond H and LiOH. Still downside we have to get the CH3. So this is the secondary alcohol, 2 alkyl groups, and second this is the first and this is the second one. So secondary alkyl group is formed. Next we have to see the another example, tertiary alcohols. Acetone tertiary butyl alcohol. Example, acetone means CH3 C double bond O CH3 C double bond O CH3 acetone, and alkyl lithium react with the CH3 C single bond O CH3, next here also CH3 3, and here we have to keep the Li when react with the water hydrolysis to form CH3 CO OH, and next CH3 still remaining LiOH as usual we have to keep the backside. The next these one react again also ఏదంతా రియాక్టింగ్ అవుతుందంటే ఫార్మల్ క్లోరైడ్ తో చర్య జరిపిస్తే ఏది alkyl lithium will be formed CH3 Cl, where we have to keep the CH3 Cl means here CH3 C double bond O Li, and next here we have to keep the Cl. Okay, these one Cl we have to keep. After that CH3 C double bond O, and next here we have to keep these CH3 we have to keep here. In this one we have to eliminate the lithium chloride. Mali ikkada lithium chloride ni elimination cheseste. So here we have to keep again we have to add the alkyl lithium, CH3CO. The next again here we have to add the Li and CH3, and here these CH3 we have to add here. These one hydrolysis to form CH3C, CH3, CH3, and extra here we have to add the OH, and remaining OH and lithium is there. So Li OH will be formed. So this is the tertiary alcohol. 3 alkyl groups. So tertiary alcohol will be formed. Okay. The next topic is the carbonyl preparation. Carbonyl preparation means nothing but aldehyde and ketones are present in the carbonyl group. So here alkyl lithium when react with the hydrogen cyanide to form hydrolysis, aldehyde will be formed. Example here what we have taken, hydrogen cyanide to acetaldehyde. Alkyl lithium plus hydrogen cyanide to form hydrogen అంటే హైడ్రోజన్ తో చేంజ్ చేపిస్తే ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏం తీసుకుంటామంటే CH3 and next CH double bond NH, and next here we have to lithium. Okay, this one we have to add 2 moles of water here. 2 moles of water here we have to add CH3. The next again C double bond O, and next bond H plus NH3 LiOH. Here 4 hydrogens. So that's why here already CH3 is there. Here C double bond O, C double bond O, and bond H plus NH3. Here already 1 hydrogen is there. So here 2 hydrogens. So NH3 we have taken, still 1 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. Li and OH will be formed. So acetaldehyde, CH3 double bond OH is the acetaldehyde will be formed. The next one we have to see the alkyl cyanide react with the hydrolysis to form ketones. Ketones is nothing but a CH3CN alkyl cyanide to CH3CO CH3 acetone. So alkyl lithium when react with the methyl cyanide to form CH3 C bond N bond Li, and next remaining CH3 here we have to get the downside. So 2 moles of water we have to react. What will be formed? CH3 C double bond O, CH3, and then next one plus NH3 CH3 C double bond O, and next CH3 plus NH3. ఇక్కడ 4 హైడ్రోజన్స్ ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఇక్కడ 4 హైడ్రోజన్స్ తీసుకుంటే NH3 ఇంకొక 1 హైడ్రోజన్ LiOH గా ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. సో CH3 C double bond will be acetone will be formed. So this is the topic about the examples of carbonyl preparation and aldehyde and ketones group. Okay.